How to add Spotify music to Instagram story with video. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add Spotify music to Instagram story with video. First, open the Spotify app and make sure you're logged in with your account. Now select the song you want to use. Tap to play the selected song. Here, tap on this arrow icon on your bottom right corner. Then select the option of Instagram Story. As you can see, by this process we can only post audio, so close this tab. Now tap on Settings icon on your top right corner. Here, tap on Playback. Now turn on the toggle for Canvas. After that, tap on your selected song. Here, tap on this arrow on your bottom right corner. Tap on Edit. Now select the background color of your choice. Tap on Done to continue. Here, tap on Instagram Stories. Now continue posting the song on your story. Select the option of your story. Now your story has been uploaded. You can play the song by tapping on the play on Spotify. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.